Welcome back to another video. Today is just going to be a quick video. I'm going to review this tyre coating wax. It's another Temu purchase. I think it cost me about £3. It's not a massive pot. I think it's probably just going to be a silicone wax or gel, I'd have thought. Get the lid off. I'll try and do this with one hand. It's quite difficult. I've got a foil on there. See if I can just get a blade or something in there. Right, so a quick cut round. So I'm going to do it with one hand. Should have my tripod really. Just being lazy. It's got a full pot, which is nice. Yeah, looks like Brill cream. So a sniff. It smells very petrol-y. Feels quite good, quite greasy. The instructions on the packet say to apply with a sponge on clean, dry tyres. So we'll go nip into the garage. I've got the Nissan in there as usual. So we'll try it on those tyres in there because they've not been blacked or anything for a while. You can see the tyre's quite dirty. Not been massively driven this year. There's a little bit of dirt and mud on the actual tyre there. I'm just going to use a cloth, a microfiber cloth. It says to use a sponge, but I haven't actually got any small old sponges. I suppose I could cut an old wash sponge down or something like that. But I'm just going to try it quickly with this microfiber. Again, I just open the pot. So I'll just get the cloth. Quick dab. Just put it on nicely. It's just like a normal silicone gel, I suppose. It says it protects the tyres, stops browning, aging. Should really wash this tyre really first, but I think that'll be okay for today. This is a quick test. So there is quite a little bit of back to black on this tyre already. Let's give it more of a satin finish. We'll whack a bit more on and then leave it for 5 minutes. And then we'll see what it looks like when it's dry. So I quite like a wet, shiny finish tyre rather than a satin finish. Toyo tyres or proxies. I once thought about doing the tyre stickers on these, but I think they're probably out of fashion now, not so much in vogue, so I think I'll just stick with a classic look and stick with just the black sidewalls. Plus it's not a race car, they're more like race car sort of look. Quite impressed with how it goes on. I'm probably going to use loads of it on 4 tyres. Okay, I'll go all the way around the actual tyre and leave it for about 5 minutes, and I'll check back with you in a minute. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's really wet. I did actually cheat a little bit and put a coat on with a paintbrush just to actually get into all the nooks and crannies, and I've probably overloaded it a little bit, so I'm going to give it a bit of a wipe off with that microfiber. Don't remember where to put it. So I think I'll just give it a bit of a wipe, just get rid of some of the excess. How long this lasts will be another matter with washing and driving in the rain and tyre sling as well. But I'm pretty impressed with the actual look. See that? It's got over glossy but nice glossy look to it. Yeah. Not bad little product. Like I said, I did overload it a little bit with a paintbrush, That might be just a little tip just to actually get into all the nooks and crannies. Just a little old paintbrush. I use that for cleaning up window rubbers and things like that. But for £3, pretty good. I think it'll probably go quite a long way. How much is it? What, 50ml or so? Something like that. So it's not a massive pot, but £3, nothing, is it? Waited 7 working days for it to arrive as well, so it's nothing. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. It's quite a nice little look. Like I said before, longevity will be a test over time. This car never gets driven in the wet anyway, so it's only from general washing really that the actual tyre gel comes off. I haven't really got any tyre sling from before, but then again they keep the paint pretty clean. There's a few little scratches and bits and pieces in it, but the paint is probably 10 years old now. I think it was 10 years ago when I painted this, so it's not holding up too bad. I've just ceramic coated this with the Auto Glim ceramic quick spray actually, and I'm really impressed with that. Feels amazing. So that'll be nice to see what it's like keeping dust and dirt off actually. But yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Hopefully going to get out to some shows this year. Just a few local ones I think. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, so pretty good. So worth £3, yeah. So longevity will be the main test of this, see how long it lasts on the tyres. But yeah, for £3 you can't complain really. And I think that pot will probably go quite a long way. Especially for you. Just put it on paintbrush as well. Just wipe it on. Just get into all the nooks and crannies. So hopefully you've liked this video. If you have, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm probably 5 away. So there's got to be 5 people out there who haven't subscribed who'd like to subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. And you can hit the notification bell as well, and you'll get notified of new videos that have been uploaded. And next video I think is going to be another Celica video. This is just a little rainy day video of me sat in the workshop doing a little bit on the Nissan and tidying up and cleaning, etc. and testing the odd little product. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.